So we're long at all. I've answered your question. What is the best way of mastering the emotional part of trading? Um, this is gonna sound really like it's gonna sound a bit strange, but there's a quote that you have to learn to lose a fight before you can win. So the best way to learn how to trade, to master the emotional side of trading, like I said, you have to go through the pain. You have to go through the pain, unless because right now I can't like because people are different. That's why I said that emotion. I mean, if you look at the statistics of the people that are successful at trading, there's less than 5%. Less than 5%. Like you don't even for a moment try to go and believe anything you see on the internet with people posting, especially on Instagram, posting all these glamorous things, telling you about trading or showing you screenshots of the trades they've made, of the just showing screenshot of successful trades, not showing the losses, not showing the those are people that are just trying to make money out of you. Because the truth is, like I said, the truth is nobody can teach you how to trade. I mean, you can learn. Learning is good. You can learn. I mean, the most important thing, first of all, you need to find a strategy that works. That's the most important thing. Find a strategy that works, and then you have to invest your money in. I mean, it doesn't have to be big money. It doesn't have to be anything, but just trade. Go through the motions. You have to put real money on the line. You have to be able to go through the motions. Like be able to lose. I mean, I'm not saying like lose on purpose. Like find a trade a strategy that works and just consistently follow that strategy. Consistently trade it. Look at your results. Look at is a very very long and hard road. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's not gonna happen overnight. So don't even if you think like trading is like I said, one of the things that people just get really mistaken about trading is the fact that once they hear but when they hear about trading, they start doing some research. I mean, like I said, you can master everything there is to know about trading within a week if you give your time to study it. But then after that, people think, oh, this is easy, or they can just go. It's as easy as just going and clicking a button and start making money. But it doesn't work like that. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It doesn't work like that. It's my am I still connected? Yeah. So the only way you can master your emotions in trading, you have to go through the pain, really. But first of all, you have to find a strategy that works, or find someone that knows about trade. Find someone that can actually show you that like that can prove to not. I'm not talking about those people that give you screenshots of like you. I know. I'm sure you've come across so many people that try to just you know sell you dreams. I call those people dream sellers. By showing putting on their stories or showing screenshots of their wins, and they can have an amazing day. Like I said, any trader can have an amazing day. Any trader can have an amazing week. You can have an amazing month. But that does not make you a good trader. That does not make you a profitable trader, because it can just be a lucky streak. I mean, if you've actually traded before, I'm sure a lot of you guys have had that kind of streak before. You've had periods where it's like everything you touch turns into gold. Like every trade you place is just a profitable trade, and but the ups and downs are gonna come. There's gonna be periods where you're gonna take losses, and those are the period that is gonna determine whether you're able to master your emotions, because there's a lot of things that's gonna be going through your head once you're going through those losing periods, those times where you've blown an account. There's so many thoughts that's going to be going through your head, whether you should have done this different, or how could you have done this different. And that's the process of learning and trading. So what I mean by going through the pain is you have to go to that point where you feel absolutely gutted by some of the decisions by what you've done, how you've managed, and then you have to analyze what have you done, how can you improve, moving forward. Sometimes one mistake is not even enough. You can make two, three, four mistakes of the same type before you can learn I can tell you guys, I'm telling you guys because I've been through. You can make the same mistake 5 times in trading and still not learn. So so like I said, the best way to go through to master emotions, Christy, is just to go through the pain. But first of all, like I said, learn a strategy that you can follow consistently, like you can be able to trade it consistently. Something that has a clear and simple rule that you can follow. Because that's the first thing that because the thing is that you know if you lose, you need to be able to look at it and say, okay, why did I lose? Was that because I didn't follow the rules, or was that because the market? Because sometimes, like sometimes the market can just move. Like you can be in a trade and this could be a fundamental news that comes out, and the market just go in the opposite direction and takes you out. So those kind of trades, you can say, okay, that's part and parcel of being a trader. Losses, that's when losses can happen. That's where you can never trade with no and not have any losses.